Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Unlock your phone and confirm WhatsApp is online because offline status won't show recent sessions. Once done, open WhatsApp, tap Settings or the three-dot menu, then choose Linked Devices. This is the hub for web and desktop sessions. Make sure you authenticate if the app asks. Use fingerprint, face unlock, or your PIN so WhatsApp reveals the list. This step shows active and recent logins, which is why we begin here, rather than in the browser. Once you see linked devices, tap an entry to reveal details: platform, browser, and the last active time. This tells you how recent that session was. Pay attention to location hints or odd device names. Unfamiliar entries can signal unauthorized access. Make sure to compare timestamps with when you actually used WhatsApp Web. If multiple sessions show overlapping times you don't recognize, note the device name and last active time. These details are what you'll use to decide whether to log out or secure your account. To finish, log out of any session you don't recognize. Tap the session and choose Log Out, which immediately ends that remote connection. After that, strengthen your account. Enable two-step verification under Settings, right arrow Account, right arrow two-step verification, and pick a PIN you'll remember. If you still see strange activity, change your phone's lock PIN and check for compromised apps. One troubleshooting tip: if a session won't log out, restart WhatsApp in your phone, then recheck linked device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.